Hello everyone, welcome to TNWS channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Valorant. The following components are required to run the program Directx Runtime error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So this is very common error. To fix this error, simply first of all you just need to tap on start menu and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. And after following all these steps as I'm showing you in this video, just restart your PC. Also, this will fix your error.